What's happening, folks, and welcome to another episode. Isn't this a beautiful sight? You know what the beautiful sight is the fact that I am standing on sand on the beach for the first time in 2.5 months. It just feels great to get out here. The beaches in Florida are officially open. I'm super excited, so I just had to get out here and do some surf fishing. For one, the bite's been good. If you know anything about this channel, I go where the bite's at. So you're gonna see an assortment of different fishing every single video. So if there's a good bite offshore, we're going offshore. If there's a good bite on the beach, we're staying here. Apparently the early morning bite's been good, so I'm gonna go ahead, get everything ready. Let's see if we can catch some fish. I'm going with the cut shrimp right here, guys. Now, I like to peel my shrimp before I put them on the hook. It's personal preference. You can do either. I personally think it works better. And I got these big jumbo shrimp from Publix grocery store. Super cheap there. Just go to Publix, get you some shrimp, and you're fishing. And these peeled shrimp, man, like a lot of people like to doctor up their baits nowadays and use all the beads and the fish bites, and I'm sure that works. But I grew up surf fishing back in the day, and we just used whatever we could get our hands on, and peeled shrimp was the easiest thing to come by, and we used to hammer the fish on them. So all right, this would be our first cast here. Brand new surf rod. I actually bought this surf rod one day before the beaches closed. Can you believe it? Bombs away. I like it.